Welcome back to English class, children. Today we are going to learn one and many. What is mean by one and many? Only one thing is called one. It means singular. Many thing, more than one thing means plural. That is many. It's called many. One and many you are going to learn. This is singular and plural. Only one thing means singular, more than one means plural. Now look at the picture. First one, only one ball. So this is one. Many balls, more than one. You count it 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. So many balls. Like only one car, many cars. One tree, many trees. Here tree, trees. Shirt, shirts. One shirt, many shirts. One shirt and many shirts. Okay, adding yes to the words. Listen here, SHIRT, shirt. Many, if you say many things, you add the shirt with yes. Okay, adding s to the words. Also you can see here once again, ball, balls, car, cars, tree, trees, plural form, shirt, shirts. Next, look at picture and tick the correct option. Given option is one cab, many cabs. Look at the picture. How many cabs are there? Only one cab. Very good, children. So you tick the only one cab. Here one can, many cans. What is the correct answer? One or many? Many. Why? Because more than one. 4 cans. That's why you tick these many cans. Next, only one pig or many pigs is here? Only one pig. So one pig. You tick this only one pig. One net, many nets. How many nets are there? More than one. 1, 2, 3. So many nets. Look at the pictures with words one and many in the blanks. Write the words one and many. Look at the picture. How many dogs are there? Only one dog. So you write one dog. Okay. How many dogs are there? More than one. So totally 4 dogs. So you write many dogs. More than one means you write many. Many dogs. Many dogs. Next. How many bats are there? Only one bat. O-N-E-1 B-A-T, bat. Many bats. Many bats. B-A-T-S. Adding yes. Yes. Okay. Now example I teach you. Now more than one and many you know very well. Now I go to say many more words. You can say the answer now. Are you ready, children? This is one and many. Example words I like to say. Example, book, books. Very simple. Book, books. Box, boxes. This is ES, B-O-X-E-S. Not only yes, you add with ES. Book, box, boxes. Pencil, pencils. Change into plural form. Pencil, pencils. P-N-C-I-L-S. Pen, pens. P and pen, P-E-N-S, pens. Chair, change into plural form, chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair, C-H-A-I-R-S, very good, chairs. This is very simple thing in English, singular and plural, adding s, simple, you know now because you are in UKG class. Many different kinds of we can add, for example es words and ies we will change in plural form. It will come ie, example boxes I taught you, like babies, ies, baby, babies, example I teach you baby, baby, babies, it will change babies, babies, ies. Okay, these type of plural form you will learn in this higher studies. Now you are in KG class, so by adding s is enough for you. You learn this type of one and many words is enough. So take practice. In the writing part I give you homework, write and send me through WhatsApp. Thank you children.